Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to find your Wells Fargo Fico credit score. So to get started with these steps, an easy workaround on how you can easily find your Wells Fargo Fico credit score. So the first thing to do is to log into your Wells Fargo online or the mobile app. So today they sign in using your online banking credentials, and you need to be enrolled in Wells Fargo Online and have an eligible consumer account. Then after that, navigate to credit dashboard in the app. Use the Bigo virtual assistant or go to the credit or smart credit menu. On the website, you can find it under smart credit close up. Then find view my score or credit close up. Then tap or click view my scores to open the credit close up tools, which provide your Bigo score 9 from Experian. Then enroll if prompted. If you haven't already enrolled in credit close up, complete the brief enrollment steps to start assessing your Bigo score. Then review your Bigo score and details. You will see your Bigo score 9 ranging from 3 to 850. The key factors, the key affecting your score credit report insight, and the alert are refreshed monthly. And that's how you can easily find your Wells Fargo Bigo credit score. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.